Three different COVID 19 vaccines are now being distributed across India, and all three of them are highly effective at the most important thing, which is preventing hospitalization and eventual death. But some remained worried that AstraZeneca's Covishield vaccine is less effective at preventing COVID 19 based on its efficacy rating of 70%. So, is it true? And is there any best vaccine on COVID 19? Well, let's find out. Here are the efficacy rate of various vaccines across the world. Three vaccines in the list score more than 90% in the efficacy rating. So are they better? The answer is no. We cannot compare one vaccine to another because different vaccines have different trial timings and location. For instance, take AstraZeneca's Covishield vaccine which have efficacy of 70% and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin with the efficacy of 81% in phase 3 trials. Now, efficacy of Covaxin may be more than Covishield vaccine, but we cannot say that Covaxin is better than Covishield because they were not tested in the same condition. Covaxin was tested in India in the month of February and March when COVID-19 cases in India were low, while Covishield was tested in India in the period of September to November when the COVID cases were more. This resulted in Covishield vaccinated person to come in contact with COVID-19 infected person more than the person who have taken Covaxin. So we can say that if Covaxin trials were conducted in the same period when Covishield trials were conducted, the efficacy of Covaxin may have been different. Another reason because of which we cannot compare various vaccines is the location where trials were conducted. For instance, AstraZeneca's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin were predominantly tested against COVID-19 variant originated in UK, India and Brazil, whereas vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna were tested on SARS coronavirus present in North America. So it may be possible that Pfizer or Moderna vaccines may have lower efficacy than Covaxin and Covishield if trials are conducted against variant originated in India or South Africa. Whatever the efficacy or the result may be, data from all trials conducted using vaccines have shown 100% protection against severe COVID-19. Although rare, a vaccinated person may get COVID-19 again, but the vaccine will make sure that you don't get hospitalized. So in conclusion, whichever vaccine is available in your area or country, get vaccinated as fast as you can. Also, even after your vaccination, wear a mask and use a sanitizer to keep your loved ones safe.